Matt, my little buddy over on the island. It's your turn, man. You got your midnight special up here on the bench. I replaced your fans as you requested. They were all borked up. I don't know who put them in there or what was going on with them, but they didn't have any chokes on the positive lead. Fans were all burned up. They smelled burnt, physically burnt. The other thing I noticed that was wrong with it right away was your sideband light was not working properly. Your variable was burned up, and whoever built it or who had ever been in it last decided from here to the input section of the one-pill driver that they'd put a bunch of resistors and knock down the input instead of balancing out the input of the box. So I balanced out the input of the box, pulled the resistors out, redid your output tune, and then I also went through and I replaced the little 4.5 or 5 inch length worth of wire with some decent sized gauge and gave you a couple feet worth of current, or a couple feet worth of wire to hold the current. We're going to run on 14 volts today. We're going to use a 1,000 watt slug in PEP, coaxial dynamics, 5 watt slug in reverse, going into a 10,000 watt per dummy load. We're going to use the Galaxy 66 and the Siltronics in reverse. Now, Matt originally said he couldn't get no more than about 200 watts out of this box. There's a 100 watt dead key. Edo audio. Now we're swinging about 5.5. Let's look at our input tune real quick. Hello, 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 hello. Perfectly flat. Turn this all the way to max. Look at that. 350 watt dead key. Hello, BBI. Swinging about 580. And normally I'd be like, no, wait a minute. What the hell? It's about half its output power. These are 2290s, folks. Toshibas. 120 watts, 120 watts. RMS. Driven by 2290. It's putting out exactly what it should. Matt, you're square. It's working perfect now. And I'm ready to send it back to you on the island. My name is BBI. And I am the biggest mud duck in Idaho. There ain't no doubt about that. Come check us out. www.bbiamps.com, home of the best handmade amplifiers on earth. Matt, appreciate you sending this up and let me take a look at it. Take care, 73s. I'll call you on the phone. Bump, bump, BBI. Got down. I see you. Bye.